Hello folks, in today's video we'll learn why we should not use type any for any variable in TypeScript. Like I'm using a small Angular application, so here is a app.ts, my TypeScript file. So here I have defined one variable data any is of type any. So what does that mean? That means in data any you can pass any type, even it is a string or a number or an array or an object or a date, anything you can pass to data any. So what will happen if we use type any? We can pass any type to data any, either it is date or a string or a number or a bool or a array or an object. So by that, the TypeScript, the strong typing, the main element of TypeScript get defeated. So it will not throw any kind of error if you will pass anything to data type any. So here what we need to do is we should always define a proper type if we want to pass a number to that particular variable, we want to pass a string to that particular variable, we want to pass date to that particular variable. So we need to define the type accordingly, the value we want to pass to that variable. How? So firstly we will try to understand how any will impact the credibility of a TypeScript. See, here I'll type this dot data any can be of type object. You can see there is a type object here, and then this dot data any is equal to 30, and this is type number, and we are passing it to data any who has type any. And then you can see array, object, bool, null, undefined, anything, date, anything we are passing. There is no error. If I'll compile this, it will not throw any kind of error. It will compile like anything. Okay, if I'll go here and type localhost 4200, it will work. Why we should not use type any in TypeScript? So what we'll do is now we'll try to figure it out with data string is of type string hello world. So this is of type string. So what will happen is if I'll type here this dot data string is equal to 30, what will happen? It will throw an error. Type number is not assignable to type string. So if we'll define a type here, then we can pass that very type to that particular variable only. So if I'll type this dot data string I have passed array, I have passed object, everything is throwing an error that you cannot pass a type key string is not assignable to type string, means object is not assignable here. Type number array means key array of numbers is not assignable to type string. So if we'll pass this like this bool, it will not accept, but when we will pass this dot data type dot string and then we'll pass here hello, so this will not throw any error because to a type string we have passed a type string. So Likewise, we should define a type first rather than using any, and then we should pass the data accordingly. If we are defining a variable with type string, we should pass string. So if we will not pass string, that will throw an error, and the strong typing will help you in omitting bugs as well. So by that manner, you can avoid bugs. You can avoid bugs. And if you are not aware of the type, like if we are calling an API and we are getting response from the API and we don't know what kind of result we are getting, either it's an array, it's a string, it's an object, we are not aware of it. So instead of using any, we can use type unknown. We will use type unknown, means we are not aware of, right? If I'll do like this dot data unknown, okay, data unknown dot to uppercase, it will throw an error because we are not aware it is a type of string, because we can use to uppercase with we can use to uppercase with type string only. We cannot use with any type to uppercase. So here what we'll do, first we will have one condition here, type of this dot data unknown is equal to string, then we will put this in the if condition, then it will work. So by that manner, you can still have the strong typing in place without defeating the power of TypeScript and avoiding any. So please avoid any in TypeScript just to make your project bug free, and it will also help in compiling your data with less time. I hope you have understood why we should avoid any in TypeScript to make uh, TypeScript a strong typing compatible and avoid bugs and unnecessary errors from our project. Thank you so much.